Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaska Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. Shiba Inu has amassed an audience that is now too large to be ignored, and thus, to justify its existence and its investment, the meme coin is attempting to rapidly develop its ecosystem. Last week, the network started by selling the land of Shiba, the metaverse, and around the same time, it also announced the launch of its portal Shiba Burn, which has been successful in its own way. Earning coins reduces the supply of tokens, and, other things being equal, increases their value. The initiative is in line with the wishes of the project community, which has pushed for the creation of such a mechanism. The portal was developed as part of a partnership between Shiba Inu and Ryashi Vision, Ryashi, a DeFi project in the Ethereum ecosystem, with a focus on supporting the growth of the Shiba ecosystem. Among bridge Shiba holders, 0.49% of all transactions in Ryashi will be distributed. Within a day after the launch of the portal, the supply of Shiba decreased by 8 billion tokens. According to a special dashboard, 3.4 billion Shibas underwent this procedure in a partial day on April 25. Recall that Vitalik Buterin became the largest owner of Shiba after the project developers sent half of the emission of tokens to his wallet. Subsequently, the co-founder of Ethereum burned 90% of this amount to avoid speculation. Taking into account the actions of Buterin and the current initiative, out of 1 quadrillion SHIB, 410.33 trillion tokens were withdrawn from circulation, 41% of the issue. Instilling a false sense of pride and achievement, the Shiba Inu is simply trying to find a way to turn the joke of their existence into a legitimate target, since, understandably, a $1 trillion currency in circulation will never have a high value. But even with Shiba's burn feature, there's a long way to go, as a meme coin isn't even worth 1 sat at the moment. Also, instead of raising the price, SHIB just kept falling. After dropping 14% in the past 72 hours, Shiba fell to a 7-month low, trading at $0.000021. Be that as it may, investors were not particularly pleased with the behavior of the price of the coin, so from March to date, more than 70,000 Shiba holders left the market. And now, with this development, it has become much more difficult for them to maintain their loyalty and commitment to the altcoin. Despite this, the chain continues to receive support from brands and other companies, such as the Shiba Inu-inspired eatery Welly. Welly announced that the decentralized Shiba community will receive a 15% stake in Welly Company, and the use of funds for incineration or other purposes will be controlled by the community through Bone DAO. So support from the community in trying to keep up with the trend helps Shy and stay relevant, but when it comes down to utility and the backbone of the network, Shiba may soon see it decline as it can't take advantage of the hype for too long. Despite the burns, the question arises why the price movement of Shiba Inu remains the same. The community wonders why the price of Shiba has not increased. It is argued that this situation has arisen due to the fact that the Shiba token as a whole is seeking demand from new investors. It has been observed that the value of the global cryptocurrency market is less than $2 trillion. The reported value is currently known to be $1.77 trillion. The cryptocurrency market is experiencing a drop of about 4%. This means that the value of the global cryptocurrency market is not improving. In other words, investors are advised to wait for a healthy cryptocurrency market to make significant profits. In this video, we will raise the following question. When will Shiba Inu return to all-time highs? Shiba Inu continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.000029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.000086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.000017, Shiba Inu recovered by 105% to $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053, 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16th. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.00004401 for 2023, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2023. What will happen in 2 years? Forecast for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Shiba Inu could cross $0.00007358 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $0.00006333.